Time for another video log update. It's been a while since I've been on YouTube. This is Richard Furry from R&B Adventures, and this video is mostly about practicing voiceovers, editing, kind of dusting off the old editing skills. However, my subject is really, I got a new drone this year, and it's called a Mini 2 with some automated flight patterns in it, so I'm practicing those maneuvers. I hope you enjoy the video, and this is kind of what they're about. The first shot is a droney shot, or a back and away shot. It's a nice way of kind of starting with your subject and showing where you're at in the world. And of course, you set your height and distance and parameters in the programming. The helix is nice because it's kind of like an oblong, kind of like tight circle into a long outward circle, and it goes into reverse angle camera shot. I practiced this one on my boat a little later in some future videos. It's important to know where you want to end, but 2 or 3 shots and you'll have it down. It's a nice reveal shot of who I am and where I'm at. Gotta like it. Great city of Auburn. On the res, technically. Okay, so I learned online on one of the how-to videos how to get a follow me mode. This is actually circle mode, and then once it starts and gets kind of to my shoulders, I just started walking. Then I stopped to let it complete its circle. And then I started to walk backwards to see if I can fool it again, but I cut that out because it didn't really work well. And then rocket mode is just kind of like it finds me and it goes above you and then it pulls up. I think it's a nice way to end a video of who you are and where you're at. Okay, well, that's just about it. Oh no, I'm practicing my dolly run. Free flying, unsuspecting truck. Hold the camera, hold the flight steady pattern. Not easy to do, but it can be done. My goal is to get a 3/4 of the way shot while flying, but that's a little more advanced. Anyways, thanks for watching, and have a nice day.